So for today, I am going to show you on how to get your Stripe API keys. So first, an API key is used to authenticate your request on the Stripe or any websites or even financial applications to see technical documentation on how to create, reveal, delete, enroll, change API keys as well. And where do you find your API key on your Stripe account? So basically, it is with the users with administrator permissions, which is it can be found on the developer's dashboard. You will see on the top right corner of your screen your developer's dashboard. And if you do not have access on that, you can ask your admin to grant you some permissions. And you will find your secret key as many times it is needed on the test mode. And for the security purposes, Stripe only shows you a secret or restricted API key one time. So you must store that key or that API key in a safe place where you won't going to lose it. Or just simply type in on your notes or just store it on a paper if you'd like to. You have a hard copy of it or just simply on a Google Docs or just a Word docs so you could save or send it to your account so it won't lose. And that's how you find your API keys or that's how you get your API keys on your Stripe account.